Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, March 29th. We got some follow through here in that NASDAQ market and I look for that to continue on Wednesday. How it moves up over the next couple days will be important for us longer term, but right now buyers are here. Let's see if they can follow through. Also, I had some questions I received regarding the calculation of this magnitude change here in the Dow. Here's how that works. 20,630, that price right there. If we moved up one tick, it would be 20,631 and then 32 and so on. All right, each one of those price or index changes, that one tick, is worth $5. The number of ticks between this bullish level and that bearish level for that first one is 2,400 ticks times $5. That's $12,000. This next line here between 19,000 and 20,400, that magnitude change was 1,400 times $5 is $7,000. So that's where those magnitude changes came from. Now let's move on though and see what happened with that US dollar. And what we're looking for here is strength. And this makes sense. The behavior we're seeing here, I think, is logical. We see the euro weakening a bit, and I look for that to continue to the downside on Wednesday. Japanese yen traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change between the bullish and bearish level in that market is $4,062.50. Down here, our Aussie friends traded above its bullish level. Magnitude change there is $400 a contract. And over here in the British pound, we traded below its bearish level. That magnitude change here in that market is $3,250. I look for weakness in that market for Wednesday as well. In the interest rate markets, the 10-year notes traded below its bearish level. I like this kind of action that we're seeing here. Again, I think it's logical. Bonds also traded below its bearish level. Magnitude change between this bullish and bearish level in that market is $3,562.50. Again, just to give you an idea of what that magnitude change represents. Now let's move on and take a look at gold. Gold didn't give us much. I wasn't looking for much. Inside type day is what I mentioned I was looking for on Tuesday. It gave us that, and you know, I'm looking for more of that on Wednesday. I am not bullish on this market, but let's move on over and take a look at crude oil. Crude oil did firm up a bit. As we talked about, this is a bullish setup. I just don't think it's sustainable. I don't see a reason for a big rally here in that market. So I think we have to be cautious on the long side in that market. And when it comes to soybeans, we are slowing down. Yesterday I mentioned we looked for an inside type day. It gave us that kind of behavior. Now for Wednesday, I'm looking for an up day in soybeans. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. And in the meantime, take care.